Hi guys! Since I had so much fun with making a fashion collage for my last video, I decided to do it again, but this time I'm using my Christmas paper, Christmas holiday themed paper that has a lot of fun motifs that can be made into more fun outfits. And this time I'm going to make a group composition. So I went and picked a few papers, and now I am drawing faces. I'm going to draw several faces with different color markers. Very simple lines, don't overdo it, just basic heads on top of the piece of paper. And first we did the faces, now we're doing the hair. Simple hair outlines, nothing fancy. Just make it different and fun. Here I did yellow, orange hair, black hair, brown hair. You can do whatever, you can do crazy colored hair as well. Now I'm picking papers and I'm sort of sketching out basic silhouettes for the dresses. You don't have to be too precise, so you can actually wing it as far as shapes, just to see what comes out. Just make it approximately fit your piece of paper that you have, the 9x12 I'm using here. There's a reindeer paper. It can be made into a dress. Anything can really be made into a dress here for our collage. It's kind of Cubism style, Picasso style, so it doesn't have to be super realistic, just fun. This paper has houses on it. As you can see, I'm doing totally different and wacky paper patterns and making them into wacky shaped dresses. But overall, something that you will see, it will come out really fun. It could be a greeting card, it could be something you could gift to somebody for the holidays, or just to frame in your own house. Something festive, quirky. I'm using a basic glue stick here. Now I'm adding details for the faces, lips, different colors, some legs, some funky shoes, arms, hint of arms really, some detail for the hair, some eyes. Yeah, that's it. You can add more details if you wish, but that's not necessary. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and try it yourself.